border truck management. Fast, simple, seamless. The KESRA eCustoms app transforms truck border crossings, cuts delays, and boosts trade. Truck drivers and transporters can now declare their trucks via mobile or web. Upon signing up, drivers or fleet managers will click on the inward crossing for trucks entering or the outward crossing for trucks exiting. Drivers or fleet managers will then input truck details, cargo type, country of registration, and estimated arrival time in the system, which generates unique rotation numbers for tracking purposes. Toll fees are automatically computed based on the truck's axle count and the distance to be covered, with convenient payment options including mobile money, card transactions, and bank transfers. SmartGate integration allows trucks to clear through customs quickly, while manual verification is available for border points without SmartGates, ensuring flexibility. On border verification and clearance, the app integrates with customs systems to ensure compliance and real-time tracking as notifications are sent to drivers upon successful clearance. The app allows real-time truck rotation monitoring for transporters as status updates. Drivers receive alerts on required documentation or any identified issues before arrival to ensure compliance with regional transport regulations through integrated system checks, which saves time. Join us in shaping a seamless future. Download the app today and experience the difference. The KESRA eCustoms app ni rahisi, pap ukienda.